Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to schedule DoorDash shift. So in the Dasher app, this is what you want to do, guys. You want to go to the schedule tab. You'll find this at the bottom left. Okay? Click on the schedule tab and you'll see a bunch of options right here. So what you're going to do in the available tab, right? You want to go ahead, right here, this is the available tab. You want to go ahead and choose, you'll see a bunch of upcoming days of the week at the top. Just select any day and you're going to choose a starting point and available times for your dash. So you choose any day for here, choose any day. You will basically need to choose the starting time and end time, and then you want to go ahead and tap on save dash. And you just note that if your preferred time is not shown, then they have basically reached the scheduled dasher capacity for that time slot. And just note that, guys, the schedule is constantly updating, and if you check back later, maybe that slot is open, right? Or you can choose another starting point for another day, right? Maybe for or the same day, but instead of 11:30, you choose 12 p.m. Really easy and simple, guys. Once you're happy with it, click on done, click on save dash. I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.